Hello students, welcome to MJC Learning. In this video, we are going to discuss the subject Secretarial Practice for Standard 12. And also, today we'll learn a new topic, that is capital structure. Capital structure. Students, a company can raise capital in the business from different sources, that is through own capital and borrowed capital, or it may be both. As you all are familiar with these two sources of funds, you already studied in the chapter number 2, that is in the chapter Sources of Corporate Finance. Hence, own capital consists of equity share capital, preference share capital, reserve and surplus. On the other hand, borrowed capital consists of debentures, loans, etc. So students, capital structure, it is a mix-up. Mix-up means combination of various sources of funds in the proper proportion. That is called capital structure. In simple term, it is nothing but security mix. That is mixture of own capital and borrowed capital. Components of capital structure. Students, components means parts. A capital structure refers to the proportion of money that is invested in the business. There are four basic components of the capital structure, which are as follows. The very first component of capital structure is equity share capital. Student, it is one of the basic source from where the company raise the funds in the business. Thus, this share capital do not enjoy preference for dividend and do not have priority for payment of capital at the time up of winding up of the company. Also, this capital, that is equity share capital holders, they get dividend. Dividend, it is a return on investment for the shareholders. So the rate of dividend is not fixed. They get dividend at the fluctuating rate. Second component is preference share capital. Those shares have first priority, means first right for receiving dividend and return of capital at the time up of winding up of the company. They get dividend at the fixed rate. Third component is retained earning. Retained earning, it is said to be the internal source. Retained earning, it is a part of profit that company keeps as a reserve for the future for business growth and for the expansion of the business. Thus, whenever company requires funds, they can utilize these funds from the reserve. Fourth component is borrowed capital. This capital is acquired, means raised in the form of loans from the external sources, which can be also called borrowed funds. A company acquires funds through the way of debentures and through the way of term loans. Students, debenture means it is a debt instrument which companies issue to the public for raising funds, where company pay fixed rate of interest to them. Term loan, these funds acquired by the company from the bank or from the financial institution at the fixed rate of interest. To understand the above concept, there is an example which will help you to make this concept easy. So considering the following balance sheet of ABC company, we'll calculate the value, that is, we'll find out the capital structure of ABC company, where we have equity capital, that is rupees 1 lakh, preference share capital rupees 5 lakh, reserve rupees 50,000 and debenture rupees 1 lakh. Hence, to find out the capital structure, we'll add all these components, that is, we'll add equity share capital, plus we'll add preference share capital, plus we'll add reserve and debentures. Hence, adding this all will get the capital structure, that is rupees 7,50,000 of ABC company. Hope you all have understood the capital structure. Thank you.